Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome back to another math session. Within this session, we're going to be discussing box and whisker plots. Now, a box and whisker plot is just another way to represent data. Just like the other data displays we've had, there are just all different ways to represent data. Histogram, dot plots, stem and leaf plot, they're all ways to represent and display data. Okay, just the representation is different with all the displays. They all have data within them. Okay, what's important with the box and whisker plot is the 5-number summary. So those are the 5 things you need to create the box and whisker plot. The first thing you need to identify once you have aligned the numbers from least to greatest is the least value, quartile 1, meaning the median of the lower half, the median itself to split the data in half. We need Q3, which is quartile 3, which is the median of the upper half. And then we need just the greatest value. All right, so we have data values here. I already aligned them from least to greatest. We have an even set of data. Again, that's important because, again, when you have 2 numbers in the middle, you need to make sure you put them back into the upper and lower halves when you're computing Q1 and Q3. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So we have 8 values here. So the numbers that would be in the middle would be these 2 5s. So our median for this data set is 5. So the median is 5. Now we have to find the lower half, so you have to put this 5 back with this range, this 5 back with this range. Now we need to identify Q1. Well, Q1 will equal, we have to use these 2 values in the middle, 3 and 5. Halfway between, well, what's in the middle between 3 and 5 is 4. Now you need to go ahead and find, again, Q3. These 2 numbers are in the middle of these 4 pieces of data. So what's in the middle of 7 and 9? Q3 will equal 8. Now we have the 5-number summary. Least, greatest. We have the median as 5, Q1 is 4, Q3 is 8. Now we need to plot them on this number line, and we're going to create the box and the whisker. All right, let's go ahead and plot them. We have data value at 1. Least values, here it is. The next value we have is Q1 is 4. Plotted at 4. Here we go. The next value we have is the median, which is 5, which will be here. The next value we have in the 5-number summary is Q3, which is 8. Go plot at 8. The next data value we have is the greatest value, which is 11. Go ahead and plot that at 11. All right, so once you have your 5 dots within your number line, you have satisfied the 5-number summary. Now we have to put the box around Q1 and Q3. Let's do that. From Q1 to Q3, we have our box. And now we have to extend Q1 to the least value and Q3 to the greatest value to create our whiskers. Whiskers to the greatest, whiskers to the least value. Now we have successfully completed our box and whisker plot. It is complete. Now, if you had to interpret this box and whisker plot, meaning, let's see, referring to the shape of distribution, it would be based on the median, and you would state that this is skewed to the right.